Here we go into the 2-bedroom penthouse villa. And if you thought the 2-bedroom villa was huge, good Lord.
You could do like jumping jacks in here. Look at the TV.
TV, I think it's TV on both sides, if I saw this correctly. Yes.
Wow.
TV on both sides, another Murphy bed.
Couch.
This couch looks a little nicer than the other one.
It does look a little nicer.
Big giant table area, and good Lord, look at that view.
Look at this view. I don't know if we can.
So we're on the 10th floor. We're on the top floor here.
Can we go out?
And
I'm not gonna bother. We got a lot of room to see.
if you thought the view was good on the lower floor, good Lord.
Wow, that is amazing. Look at the bungalows. Wow.
So let's head into, I believe this is probably the master bedroom. Of course, you got your own TV. Your own private balcony for the master bedroom. Big king size bed, and of course, your own closet space.
Next Saturday.
Of course, your own dresser. And there are USB plugs, including USB-C. Bathroom is pretty much similar to the one in the 2-bedroom villa, regular 2-bedroom villa. Hey everyone, it's the toilet behind frosted glass. A very big tub with beautiful artwork in here. I mean, just amazing artwork. There's another giant walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and a spa shower head, the handheld shower head. I wish I had a shower like that. And of course, there is 1 and 2 different sinks. Let's head over here. This is off the main area. This is another bathroom. This is off the main area. This is just like the 2-bedroom villa, where there are 3 bathrooms in here. And then, love all the artwork. And then here is the other bedroom. Their own closet. Of course, this bathroom is a little bit smaller than the master, and you only have a shower in here. But you do have a shower with a rainfall. And because we love doing this, and there's the toilet.
It's the best part of the tour, like I said.
Really cool artwork up here on the wall. And you got 2 queens in here. And like all the beds in here, platform beds, so you can stick your luggage underneath. And just like the master, you have your own private balcony for the bedroom here. And just look at this view. It's just jaw-dropping. Just amazing. And plenty of counter space in here. So much room. Like we said, this is the penthouse 2-bedroom villa, way bigger than the regular 2-bedroom villa. So that is the penthouse 2-bedroom villa here at the Island Tower.
Yes, you can.